So guys, it's just a quick reveal video for my new wheels. They are the F1 lightweights from BJ Wheels. Yeah, I know, BJ Wheels. But in any case, here they are. They are 18 inches and 18 inches in diameter and 8 inches wide. Both the fronts and the backs are 8 inches wide. I didn't go bigger. I stayed with 18 inches because I wanted improved ride quality. Most importantly, these are about 8 point something kilograms compared to the OEM ones that were on before, which were 10 point something kilograms. So that's 2 kilograms off for each wheel. And the tires, yes, I've replaced the tires. These are now Michelin Pilot Sport 4s. You cannot get Pilot Sport 4S for 18-inch rims. So these were the best I could do for the 18-inch rims. And they've only just been installed. I haven't tested them at all yet. I don't know how good they are. I'm still lugging around the weight of the old wheels in the back of the car. But for the time being, this is them. Just a quick reveal. Their offset is offset 38 front and back. The OEM ones were offset 52 before, so these were 8 inches with offset 52 before. Now they're 8 inches with offset 38, so that essentially is like adding a spacer that has brought them out. They don't poke at all as far as I could see. They're just, I mean, if they do poke, it's minimal. So the fronts are a little bit more complicated. The fronts were offset 42. Were they offset 42? I don't know. I can't remember actually. And these are offset 38. They were offset 45. That's right. So the previous wheels were offset 45. These wheels are offset 38. So that means they've come out a little bit. But again, they don't poke too much, even though now the old ones were 7.5 inches wide. These are 8 inches wide. But again, it's a perfect fitment. There's no issues as far as I could see. We tested the wheels without the tires, and there was plenty of clearance to the strut. I don't know what else. Tomorrow the car is going in for its to change the oil in the limited slip diff. It's reached the 2,000 kilometers point, and yeah, I'll ask them about alignment. I mean, these have been aligned now, but I'll ask the OEM dealer to check them as well. And we didn't need spacers. There's plenty of clearance to the brakes in both the front and the back. No issues at all. Yeah, okay. Lightweight wheels, Pilot Sport 4 tires. Everything should improve. Or will it? Just the last mention to say that I was actually interested in diamond cut wheels, or two-tone bicolor wheels, whatever. BJ said they did sell them, a special edition where this part is diamond cut, and I have the photos of this as well. But they no longer sell them diamond cut. So eventually what I will do is I will put BMW hubcaps there and have these diamond cut as well. Yeah, for the time being, this is how they come from the factory, and they don't look that bad. They're matte black, and they sort of suit my matte black decal there that's been damaged a little bit. Anyway, the modifications continue.